This axe head cost me $5 at a garage sale last weekend. I'm going to turn this into a small hatchet I can use for camping. The goal is to reuse as much material as possible, so I'm going to reform this axe head into a nice little hatchet head and reuse as much of this handle as possible, probably about this much, and take off all this old nasty paint. Let's get into it. So because this is going to be a hatchet, I need to do quite a bit of material removal. So the plan right now is to put a bit of a bevel on this top end so that I have some material to remove from the grinder once I grind this flat. And obviously I'm going to take a bunch of material off this back end. Okay, well there it is before the grind. Here it is after the file and grind. Cleaned up the back, left it a bit of a hammerhead, because this is going to be a camping axe. I got the edge nice and cleaned up. Time to do a little bit of straightening, and then the quench.
sides of this axe. Usually you just dunk the blade to harden it, but I want to have the other end act as a hammerhead for camping, so I'm going to have to heat up both ends and quench both.
Now I'm going to use the Japanese technique of burning the wood, scraping off the soot, and then applying oil to lock out moisture. Well, there we go. Not too bad for a $5 garage sale axe.